The next 14th problem. This problem is about chord of contact. Okay, right. If the chord of contact of the tangents drawn from h comma k to the circle x square plus y square is equals to a square. Suppose we have a circle and whose equation is given as x square plus y square is equals to a square. There is a point outside the circle, mark it as h comma k. See, we need to think about chord of contact of this h comma k. What is the chord of contact? If from this h comma k, if we draw two tangents for this circle, these two tangents are intersecting, circle at these 2 points, mark them as AB. Okay, as we all know, since two tangents from an external point meeting circle at AB, the line joining this AB is considered as chord of contact. Now the question is mentioning this chord is subtending a right angle at the center. Suppose this is the center of the circle. Okay, this chord is subtending 90 degrees. That means when you join AO, when you join OB, this angle is mentioned as 90 degrees. As we all know, see, P, mark this point as P, PAOB is a quadrilateral, and that too a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, since this total angle is 90, this total angle is 90, sum of these two opposite angles is 180 in this quadrilateral PAOB. With the same logic, since this angle is 90, this is also 90. Okay, so since the angle between the pair of tangents is 90 degrees at P, angle between the pair of tangents at P is 90 degrees, then the locus of P, what you say about the locus of P? As we all know, locus of P is a director circle. Okay, is a director circle for the given circle. Since it is a director circle, we need to write the director circle. In director circle equation, just x square plus y square is equals to a square ki sambandhinchi director circle ante ikkada a square ni 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయడమే. అలా కాకుండా జనరల్ ఫామ్ లో ఉన్న సర్కిల్ కి అయితే r is equal to root s11 వాడాలి. డైరెక్టర్ సర్కిల్ is one of the important concept. ఒకసారి రిఫర్ చేయాలి, మన క్లాస్ లో ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసాము. With that idea, for x square plus y square is equal to a square, director circle is x square plus y square is equals to 2a square. ఇప్పుడు ఈ డైరెక్టర్ సర్కిల్ మీద h, k అనే పాయింట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి we will write it like h square plus k square is equals to 2a square, and there ends the problem. Okay, once again have a look. See, first of all we need to think about chord of contact of this point ph, k. Chord of contact అంటే p నుంచి 2 tangents డ్రా చేస్తే ఆ 2 tangents సర్కిల్ ఎక్కడైతే మీట్ అవుతున్నాయో అన్నిటిని జాయిన్ చేస్తే అదే chord of contact. ఈ chord of contact ఈ సెంటర్ దగ్గర 90 డిగ్రీస్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్ కూడా 90నే. ఎప్పుడైతే p అనే పాయింట్ దగ్గర యాంగిల్ 90 ఉంటుందో ఈ p అనేది డైరెక్టర్ సర్కిల్ మీద వన్ ఆఫ్ ద పాయింట్ అవుతుంది. సో డైరెక్టర్ సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటంటే x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు a స్క్వేర్ కి x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2a స్క్వేర్. h, k ఈ సర్కిల్ మీద ఉంది అన్నాం కాబట్టి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ h, k in that, and finally this is your answer. Okay, that is 14th problem of your worksheet. Okay, have a look.